Hey everyone, so today I decided to decorate everything in my house for Christmas already. I know we're still in November, we barely started the month, but I decided this whole year has been so weird, so why not make Christmas at home longer? And I'm so ready. I busted out already some decorations that I had from last year, and that's all I'm gonna be using this year as well. So if you want to see how it looks after I finish decorating everything, keep on watching. Oh, also before I leave, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I would really appreciate it if you did that. So yeah, and if you have any questions about anything that I'm going to be posting or decorating with, I'll be more than happy to answer that. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I think I'm about finished cleaning my floors and I'm ready to set up my Christmas tree. And I think I'm gonna put it on this corner right here. I do have my chair right there, which I'm gonna move towards the front. That way I can set up my Christmas tree there. And then I do have that fiddle leaf tree, which I'm gonna move to the kitchen. I think that will look good. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so my husband and I, we have this cool tradition for a Christmas tree. Every year we get a new ornament that means something to us, something that reflects that year. This year we're gonna add our baby Anna to the Christmas tree. I think that's so cool. But for example, last year we got our little doggies. So we have 2 doggies, and we have also one day we went to see some reindeers. Super random, but we really loved it. So we have a reindeer. Another year we went to New York, so we have a little New York little ornament, and this is our first Christmas together. So yeah, we have an ornament every year that reflects something that happened that year. So I think this year's is super special because our baby is gonna be on the Christmas tree. So I'm so excited to put her up. So yeah, I just wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and put all the ornaments. Okay, for my entry, I'm gonna be putting this little, what is it? A pine tree. I got it as a gift last year, so I'm gonna be putting it here in my entryway. Right now I have this one, but I'm gonna remove this one, even though it's not Thanksgiving yet. I'm still gonna leave just the pine little decoration, and I'm gonna remove this little one as well. In my restroom, I have, as you can see here, this little pumpkin, and I'm going to be placing this little Christmas tree. They always have them at Target. They're like $1 each or something like that. So I'll be replacing this pumpkin with a Christmas tree, probably that one, and maybe not that one, just that silver one. And these two, I'm going to be placing them next to the TV right here. I love this table. I'll be putting them here underneath. wants to stand. There you go. So it has been around 2 to 3 days since you last saw me, and the reason is because I totally forgot to change anything in my living room. I just did the Christmas tree, and I don't know, my head is just everywhere. With a baby, it's really hard to keep track on the things that you have to do. So I'll be changing my pillow covers and throw blankets, and I'll probably put like something on my dining area. So that's the reason why I have a different outfit, just so you know. So yeah, so let's get into it. So as you can see, I added some different things at the end just to add a little bit more Christmas spirit to the house. And if you do like this kind of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram so you can see me almost every other day. So yeah, I hope you have a blessed day and Merry Christmas.